The national park system in the United States has had a profound impact on conservation efforts, playing a crucial role in preserving the country's natural and cultural heritage. Since the establishment of the first national park, Yellowstone, in 1872, the system has expanded to include a diverse range of protected areas across the nation. The impact of the national park system on conservation can be examined through various lenses. 1. Preservation of biodiversity. Habitat protection. National parks serve as havens for diverse ecosystems, providing protected habitats for a wide range of plant and animal species. By preserving these natural landscapes, the national park system contributes to the conservation of biodiversity. Endangered species preservation. Several national parks are home to endangered or threatened species. Conservation efforts within these parks aim to protect and restore the habitats essential for the survival of these species. 2. Promotion of conservation ethics. Educational opportunities. National parks serve as outdoor classrooms, educating visitors about the importance of conservation, ecology, and environmental stewardship. The parks instill a sense of appreciation for nature and foster a conservation ethic. Research and monitoring. Many national parks support scientific research to monitor ecosystems, study wildlife, and assess the impacts of climate change. This research contributes valuable data for conservation efforts beyond park boundaries. 3. Cultural and historical preservation. Protection of cultural resources. National parks not only preserve natural landscapes but also protect cultural and historical sites. This includes archaeological sites, historic buildings, and places of cultural significance, contributing to the conservation of the nation's cultural heritage. Engagement with indigenous communities. Collaborative efforts with indigenous communities in and around national parks aim to preserve and honor traditional knowledge, practices, and cultural landscapes. 4. Mitigation of human impact. Regulation of human activities. National parks implement regulations to manage human activities, such as hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing, to minimize the impact on ecosystems. This helps maintain the ecological balance within these protected areas. Preservation of scenic beauty. National parks safeguard landscapes of exceptional beauty, preserving natural features such as mountains, canyons, waterfalls, and forests. This preservation contributes to the aesthetic and recreational value of these areas. 5. Buffer against urbanization. Prevention of fragmentation. National parks act as buffers against urbanization and land development, preventing the fragmentation of natural habitats. This is crucial for maintaining large, intact ecosystems that support healthy wildlife populations. Maintenance of ecological connectivity. Connected landscapes within and between national parks enable the movement of wildlife, contributing to genetic diversity and the resilience of species in the face of environmental changes. 6. Tourism and economic benefits. Economic value. The national park system contributes significantly to local economies through tourism. Visitor spending supports jobs, local businesses, and infrastructure, creating a positive economic impact in gateway communities. Funding for conservation. Entrance fees, donations, and funds generated by the National Park Service contribute to the conservation and maintenance of park resources. This self-sustaining model helps ensure ongoing protection. 7. Global conservation inspiration. International influence. The concept of national parks has influenced conservation efforts worldwide. Many countries have established their own protected areas modeled after the U.S. National Parks System, contributing to global conservation initiatives. International cooperation. Collaborative efforts between countries, often facilitated by transboundary protected areas, contribute to the conservation of shared ecosystems and biodiversity. Conclusion. The National Parks System has played a pivotal role in advancing conservation efforts, serving as guardians of biodiversity, cultural heritage, and natural beauty. By inspiring a sense of awe and appreciation for the natural world, national parks contribute not only to the well-being of local ecosystems but also to the broader global conservation movement. As the challenges of environmental conservation continue to evolve, national parks remain vital as symbols of the commitment to preserving the Earth's treasures for future generations.